Welcome to our journey of building Savyavasa, a sanctuary crafted with precision, artistry, and elegance. With each day, we come closer to offering you an international standard of exclusive lifestyle. Savyavasa is now 41% complete. The construction of levels 32, 36, and 37 of towers 1, 2, and 3 is now complete. Envision your story unfold in the exquisite spaces of our new apartment units designed by Yuni Jie, Eko Priharseno of AED, and Brian Gondokusumo of Gondo Jewels. Experience a revitalized sense of well-being in bathrooms enhanced with the finest Hansgrohe and Duravit features. We're bringing a nature-infused, tranquil lifestyle closer with 300 mature trees ready to be replanted on our site. Savyavasa invites you to one-of-a-kind homes where international living, comfort, and unforgettable moments create a vibrant tapestry of life. Coming to you in 2024, construction led by Taisei CSC.